Hi, my name's Ray from Roundabout Circus, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple set of poi that you can start spinning immediately. And then I'm going to go through a few different types of poi that you might see around. So, to make your super simple set of poi, you need some long socks and a ball of some kind, either a tennis ball or a juggling ball. I personally prefer a juggling ball because learning poi, you do hit yourself a lot, and a juggling ball is just a little bit softer. So, all you need to do is take your sock and your ball, pop the ball into the sock, and squeeze it all the way down to the tip. Once you get it down there, to make a handle, you can just tie a knot up the top. And there you have it, a super simple poi that you can start spinning. If you want to, you can also chop off this top section so you don't have a whole bunch of floppy stuff in your way. And then you're just going to repeat that, so you have to try and get your knots about equal, and that'll just help keep your balance. So, with these poi, we can do all of the different moves that you can do with poi: stalls, butterflies, weaves, all that fun stuff. So now that we know how to make our own set of poi, I'm going to show you a couple of my sets of poi. So the very first one is a traditional style Maori poi, which you'll find in New Zealand most commonly. This type of poi is usually used for percussion. Makes that really fun sound. And traditionally this would have been used by warriors of the Maori tribes to strengthen their wrists for battle, also by craftspeople to strengthen their wrists for weaving. The next sets of poi that I have are kind of similar to our sock poi, but these ones are a little bit different. They're specifically made to be poi. So they're kind of just made of these two teardrops of fabric sewn together with a little split in them so that you can get a ball into it. You can use them just like this and wrap them around your fingers and spin, or you can do what I've done here and add a little extra handle. This way I've got a little bit more weight to it, which will allow me to do some throws without the end of the poi just going all crazy. So this is what the handle looks like. I've just tied a knot there so it doesn't pull straight back through. And you can also see here, this is the split where I've put my ball in. This type of poi is called tail poi, or sometimes called veil poi. And these are just weights at the end with nice big floofy tails. It's super visual when you start spinning them around. The only disadvantage is sometimes the tails can get in the way with some moves, particularly buzzsaws. But other than that, they're super cool. And the last set of poi that I have here is my personal favorite. It's called contact poi. It's made up of a contact juggling stage ball with a rope and another handle attached. I add a few extra weights in my handles, so it's about the same weight as the head of the poi. And this allows for moves like contact rolls, as well as a bunch of different cool throws. And eventually you can lead into some two poi one-hand stuff.